Are you starting to see problems with your brick paver patio, such as settlements or widening joints, with accumulations of moss or debris? Here at the Bristol Group, we are going to take you through our process of repairing these issues. We start by removing any altered pavers, and then we will reinstall them to their original state. Next, we pressure wash the joints to remove the existing sand and debris. Then, we allow the area to dry before reinstalling new polymeric sand into the joints. The polymeric sand will inhibit weed growth, resist insect infestation, water penetration, heavy wind and rain, along with stabilizing and strengthening the interlocking pavers. After the new polymeric sand is installed, we remove all excess sand from the brick paver patio. We have been in business since 1996, and we specialize in all facets of landscaping. All of our landscape technicians are highly qualified, experienced, and safety certified. Give us a call today and speak with a dedicated professional landscape representative from the Bristol Group. We look forward to working with you. Take your old patio and make it new today. Click the link below for a free, no-obligation consultation from the Bristol Group. Fill out the form on the Contact Us page or call them at 262-857-9191.